Garinga na Garinga.
I listen to it on the internet.
BeingTsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
Okay, Mashaka, if you like BeingTsonga in SA.
With me, Hikatekile Maringa.
Shitshembiso Mabasa.
Now, Fumani N Shilubana. Well, the whole point of us discussing the victimhood, division, everything is not about no. We must focus on that. You know, it's to highlight where we are. See, this is an early show. It's not an early show. I'm saying it's 8 days in this show. We need to plant the idea so we know where we're going. Where we're going, basically, in this show, we're going to be profiling people who have achieved. We're profiling and talking about people who have, how they've done it, how they did it, so that we can come to a point called history of no. We actually want to change the mindset. But before you change the mindset, you need to know where we are from.
Exactly.
Because there's no point changing something that you don't know what it is.
This part of consciousness is the most painful.
Yes.
Where you have to speak about the uncomfortability and our weaknesses as a people.
Yes.
Once we've acknowledged that, then Mashak said that right now we have to talk about the pain.
In fact, there isn't any choice this song, like Yali Loga Toga, for example, one of them. If you can listen to all these songs, I chose them intentionally to say it's possible to be happy. It's okay. Like, it's possible for us to be in a certain position, but before that happens, it's
We
like
need to do the work.
we need to do the. I was watching the
that.
documentary Anelka with Nicholas Anelka.
Yeah, the French guy.
No, what happened in 2010? They show what happened inside the particular thing. The locker room. Smart. There was no cohesion between the coach and the players. And you saw what happened to France. They were. It was a terrible. So, if we don't talk about those things, how do we come together? Which system works for system? Like, quick example. In our partnership, my system is Fana knows Guri. Here's Fumani. I know Guri Fana. Like, as much as people think I talk too much, but whenever we go out and talk in whatever meetings that we have, I don't talk. Because I know I do not speak things as clearly as I should, as I think them. I apply them how I think them, but not how I speak. So even this show, we are going towards those elements. To document, to speak, so we can heal. That's the most important thing. So we can heal. Speaking of healing, there are a lot of things that are how do I put it? Xitsonga, we have normalized them.
gombonyoka.
Vatsonga.
Yes.
All those things. Because there's a lot of things that we need to address. And one of them is Makweru.
Yes, okay, no, listen.
Now, you need like when I listen to the last Kozena, I'm like, actually, I've been wrong my whole life.
I read an article Yaka Viv Meg.
Yes.
In one. One in Tonga.
Is it?
Hey, Minan family can do this on the Minan stay.
You know, Missy Rasana Puris. Restaurant Sana Sukaka, Louis Miris, Masir Sana Purisana. That's what I say.
Because it was in the street.
Yana Purway, no, Sadam would be so Kuruyan, so Timayan, Papa, Mabunga, Pungela, at the
Yeah, he says, what a queer. So, I'm not until this morning. When I got this clip before the editor, when I listened to it, that's when I've learned because I've been making mistakes my whole life.
I still have been kicking our ass, eh?
Like, totally.
Like,
it's almost like a PhD. It's almost like time.
Hey, what's the lady? Shade, but okay.
May I call even before Tolo?
Yeah.
Ashaka Tolo. After listening to this thing, that's what I'm like, wait for money. I've been calling by Nina Lavan. No, and it makes sense though, because I came across that way.
Weru.
It makes sense.
Especially if you want to be Berlin and then otherwise.
And there was that one about food. I now look at apartheid. Boko one by Xitsonga bus. However, when I won, a lava of Kawai when I want to write a sharp by a lasha on so many levels, whether it's on a language level, identity level, historical level. Our parents are blank. If we, the kids, have to do this in 2020,
there's a problem.
There's a huge problem. Because we should be teaching our parents, we should sit them down in Salanke. I think when I'm just team, Elish. And actually, easy with doing our rooms. So I want to plus. It's not like men have tried to do something. I'm a child. Oh, yeah, it's all okay. It's like, shut up, nigga.
Whatever.
Within that particular note, can you break down the relationship?
I will.
For example,
their status is the equivalent of Kokwan, of Bokokwan. So when I go down and Papa no Papa, like they are your parents, they share the same equal status as your mother and father.
You see this whole,
because I born, if Ikokwan means Vatsala Manawe.
Yes.
And then say Banababonda.
So Banabo
we do have an article for this.
Yeah, I'll share it. I've seen it.
I'll share it and then we'll come and discuss. Obviously, it will be on the last Sunday of the month. Or next week in Engumbi in Loan, Bazmashlo.
Okay, so who can very good on
the man was my childhood hero as well. There was no Tsonga person. The first person that's born on TV on Tsonga. I'm not both same. I'm not say, gang, I do gang. I am by character when I try. President, I have thing
So yeah, so man, why do you support this relationship? Because one of my mom's sisters, I call them my younger brothers. Am I correct?
Yes. It's his younger brothers. That's correct.
Hey, go at the cousin.
Yeah, man. My cousin is not going But again, it shows you, because the only way for us to learn about this thing is it's an open heart.
Yeah, and to in repetition.
Yes.
Is saying totally the other wrong stuff. Like to switch, you must constantly self-correct yourself. So in Tolovelo, it must be in Tolovelo instead you for
because even now, the fact that we are doing this, there's something inside me fighting against this whole thing. Because clearly it is the teachings.
Relearning. But is it relearning?
It's all not relearning.
Relearning.
Unlearning and relearning.
It's painful. No, it's not. I mean,
it makes you feel weak. Or it's not one I basic.
And here's a funny thing. I played sports, you know, and I went provincial in sports.
Which sports?
Basketball.
Oh, okay.
I
love soccer. I'm not confused.
No, but I didn't soccer. I played soccer.
Oh, okay.
I was a goalkeeper. I was very good.
It's soccer.
Okay. I played for my school team. At varsity, I played for the varsity team. No, well, I did the varsity at a league. I was in one of the league teams.
Nice. Okay.
We'll keep.
So anyway, so I think I forgot my point. I'm not gonna anyway, so no, I was saying even with sports, just sports, or I don't because I played for the Popo, the basketball, everything. One of the things that that guy, our coach, always emphasized, good guys, the best thing for us to win games, it's not the frills, it's not the basics. Know the basics. If you get the basics right, you've got something to fall back on. And it is true, man, I was not the most skillful player in terms of skills or basketball, but I was always making the first 5 because I was doing the basics right. Same as Xitsonga. We should not be scared and be ashamed to go to the basics.
Well, so that's what it's, you know, the historians, the researchers, we know up here. Matimu ya shaka nkulu ra Vatsonga kambe lo se fanele ke ingena ka swivongo ingena ka mindyangu ifika yi vaviseka kwala na le ka ririmi hi mako u hlaya tibuku ta vujuno and all that yi tiva sweswo ku ri the politics yi tirhi njhani. However, the tribe itself, another family unit, no one wrote something down for you. So the basics are very important. I'm been writing stories. If you understand the rules to what is a scene, if you know
the basics,
then you are able to know how to break the rules and how to evolve it and how to change it.
It's basically trying to apply the rules without knowing them, without breaking the rules without knowing them. But for me, the most frustrating thing about Masaka, I would like to, the most frustrating thing that we have as Vatsonga, equally, Moon, Amato defects, but Akia, Kuri, Vatsonga how? Moon, I insist that.
No.
That guy. Even Moon, I insist that Allah Dunsa, because we spoke about this in one of the episodes. The biggest fault of our kids, when I speak Xitsonga, Moon, I insist that to speak to a like right now, I've made a conscious decision. Like yes, I've made a conscious decision. The good thing is it's and I hold one with the one with when first call recently to try to address this nonsense. Why in that it was based because no, I would pay for a tutor because I like grade 6. Grade 6, it's not 8, it's not 6, grade 8. Look, no, listen, I will apply, I will get a tutor on Tsonga.
Do it on the internet.
BeingTsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.